Welcome. What I want to do today is show you how to add these two rational terms, where I have 6 divided by b minus 6. Now, I get it all the time from my students. I know that my b's and my 6 looks identical, but please, that's a b and that's a 6. Sorry, that's the way I have it. Plus 4 divided by b minus 8. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do a quick little review on how to add fractions. Remember, if I have 1/3 plus 1/4, right? We cannot add that to get 1/7. We have to make sure we have common denominators. So we look at between the 3 and the 4 and we say, what's the least common denominator, least common multiple of 3 and 4? And the answer is 12. So how do I get 3 to be 12? Well, I'm going to have to multiply by 4. To keep equivalent fractions, I have to multiply 4 on the top and the bottom. And I'm going to do the same with 3 and 1/4 on the other fraction. So therefore, when I multiply across, I get 4 over 12 plus 3 over 12. Now, I have the same denominator. I can add them across, so I get 7/12. Well, ladies and gentlemen, when adding these two fractions, it's going to be the same thing. Now, it's a little bit difficult because now we have these two binomials. What is the common denominator of the two binomials? Well, a little trick a lot of times, as long as you multiply your two denominators, you're always going to get a common multiple. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply b minus 6 on the right and b minus 8 on the left to produce a common multiple of b minus 8 times b minus 6. And remember, I have to do that on the top and the bottom to produce equivalent equations. Equivalent fractions. So now, up top, I can multiply across using my distributive property. Same thing for this one. So therefore, I have 6 times b, which is going to be a 6b, and 6 times negative 8 is a negative 48, plus 4 times b is 4b, 4 times negative 6 is a negative 24. And I'm going to write this all over because remember, when I had 4 12ths plus 3 12ths gave me 7 12ths. I was able to combine because they're common denominators. So that's exactly what I'm going to just be able to do. I add these together, I combine my common denominators to give me b minus 8 times b minus 6. So now I need to rearrange this and combine my like terms. Well, I can only combine a 6b and a 4b, and a negative 48 and a negative 24. So 6b plus 4b is 10b. Negative 48 minus 24 is going to be a negative 72. All over b minus 8 times b minus 6. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you simplify by adding two rational terms. All right, thank you. Bye.